Welcome to Okestack Coding Club YouTube channel, and in this series we're going to be looking at how to code using the Scratch app. Alright, so in this first video I'm going to show you how to get your Scratch app, how to make use of the Scratch app. Alright, so if you are connected to the internet, so on your laptop you go to scratch.mit.edu. so you can make use of your Scratch online. Okay, as you can see, so this is the Scratch online user interface. So you can come here, right here, and then click on create. Alright, so this is the online Scratch app. So you can create your project online, and also you can decide to work offline if you don't have if you don't always have internet access. So you can get the app here offline. So you can download the Scratch app for Windows. If you are making use of Windows operating software, you can also use it for Mac operating software, maybe using Apple, or you can also make use of you can also download it for Chrome operating software. Then you can also download it on your tablet. So if the tablet is higher than Android 6.0, you can also get the Scratch app for your Android. Okay, so you can also get the older version for Scratch app. We have Scratch 2.0, then we also have Scratch 1.4. Alright, so if you're making use of your laptop and you don't have the Scratch app already installed on your laptop, so you just click on the direct download and then follow the prompts. Okay, so for you to get your Scratch app on your Android, just go to your Play Store. Just go to your Play Store, play.google.com, and then all you have to do is use the search use the search tab to search for Scratch. So you can see we have the Scratch app for Google Play Store, and then we have the Scratch app, and then you have the Scratch Junior app. So sometimes you might not see this one on your Play Store, but you will see the Scratch Junior. Okay, so you can install either of both. Alright, so you can also get it for your Amazon app, Amazon tablet. You can always get the Scratch Junior also for your Amazon tablet. Alright, so you can also download it for Amazon tablet. Alright, so those are the ways you can get your Scratch app, either online or offline, whether on your personal computer or on your mobile tablet. Alright, so in my next video I'm going to show you how you can start making use of the Scratch app. See you then.